Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching. Have you heard about Levite Crew Music Ministry? Well, I'm excited to tell you that you can become part of us. The Levite Crew Music Ministry is more than a collective of musicians. We are a movement of worshippers, leaders, and vessels called for a time such as this. And through music, we aim to bridge the gap between humanity and God, spreading His love through music, inspiring hope, and building faith. We seek to go beyond borders and also building a family of believers bonded by love and shared purposes. As a team, we aim to be torchbearers of God's glory, igniting a revival that will echo through generations. For more inquiries on how to join the Levite Crew Music Ministry, reach out to the WhatsApp numbers and the flyers. Join us in spreading His love, one song, one worship, one heart at a time. Thank you.
Forever and ever. Forever and ever. Forever.